I could walk on water, like Jesus did before. If I knew all the answers to keep you coming back for more. If I could paint a picture and then cut off my own ear, if I chose all the right colors, would this just disappear? Because running vicious circles until we're dizzy with disdain. And there's miles and miles between us, yet we still remain. If I could write a poem and find the perfect words, and then put them all to music, just so my voice gets heard. Because running vicious circles until we're dizzy with disdain. And there's miles and miles between us, and yet we still remain. If I could walk on water, like Jesus did before, and if I knew all the answers, I'd keep you coming back for more. Because we're running vicious circles until we're dizzy with disdain. And there's miles and miles between us, and yet we still circles until we're dizzy with disdain. And there's miles and miles between us, yet we still remain. Yet we still remain. I can take the rain on the roof of this empty house. That don't bother me. I can take a few tears now and then and just let them out. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while, even though going on with you gone still upsets me. There are days every now and again I pretend I'm okay, but that is not what gets me. What hurts the most is being so close and having so much to say, watching you walk away and never knowing what could have been. Not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. It's hard to deal with the pain of losing you everywhere I go, but I'm doing it. It's hard to force that smile when I see your friends and I'm alone. It's still harder getting up, getting dressed, living with this regret. But I know if I could do it over, I would trade, give away all the words that I saved in my heart that I left unspoken. But what hurts the most is being so close and having so much to say, watching you walk away and never knowing what could have been. Not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. Being so close, having so much to say, and watching you walk away, and never knowing what could have been. Not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. That's what I was trying to do. Saturday, I got my girls and we're skipping town. In my 67 442, got the rag top down. Haldean's on the radio. Ain't it funny how they sing along? Makes you smile just a little bit because it's not a Miley Cyrus song. These are the moments we can share. Come on, let me take you there. Loaded up and living right. Fast cars on a summer night. Breeze is warm and the moon is bright. There's endless summer. Boogie boards and digging holes, sand castles and fishing poles. What a way to save my soul, this endless summer. Now we're out a little getaway, so we go and grab the fishing poles. I can't think of any better way for us to cleanse our souls. Fresh striper on the grill tonight, cherry stone straight out the shell. Just another day in paradise, another story I can tell. These are the moments we can share. Come on, let me take you there. Loaded up and living right. Fast cars on a summer night. Breeze is warm and the moon is bright. There's endless summer. Boogie boards and digging holes, sand castles and fishing poles. What a way to save our souls, this endless summer. Monday morning and it's getting late. There's no traffic at the toll booth line. Haldean's on the radio and my three girls know every line. And these are the moments we can share. Come on, let me take you there. Loaded up and living right. Fast cars on a summer night. Breeze is warm and the music's right. This endless summer. Boogie boards and digging holes, sand castles and fishing poles. What a way to save our souls, these